Eby'omuyimbi Kapa Cat monna sibirungi nakamu eside eri byetaaga sala bampita Jaminanti nanyini ddoboozi wano wennyini ko Jaminanti yugi mba natuuse dda n'ensonga leka nkuwe video ya mwana muwala ono Kapa Cat ku mbeera nga bwe yabadde mu accident yamutuuseko live Jaminanti yugi.
I've been urged to do this video because most of the people that really care want to know how I'm doing. I am okay. I'm sorry I kind of feel ugly, but I'm doing okay. The face is getting a little better. My lips, it's all a mess, but I'm pretty okugulu. Last night nazuka n'obulumi bungi omutwe gwali gukuba nnyo nga maaso tegasaatunula kanoma because you see if I show you bajja mu glass eriiso lyali terisobola kubeera nga libeera comfortable nga litunula. I don't know whether you can see that, but
you can see it.
Then the leg is so swollen, so we can have like 1 week, 2, 3 a month to walk, but I'm going to be practicing though. But I'm fine. Maybe mwebale nnyo kufaayo abanyambyeko mwebale nnyo. I really appreciate Bambi. Many people have been calling in, many people have sent in cash to assist with bills. Thank you so much. I would kneel down, I just can't. Mwebale Bambi kunjagala na kufaayo. I have a million messages of quick recovery and bana ngenda kuba bulungi nnyo because mumomya, you know. Neyanziza bonna bampeereza akasente. Waliwo babadde bankubira, they were telling me sente ozirabye, and I think babadde bateeka ku wrong numbers. I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to clarify on the numbers mugenda okuteekako. Waliwo 0786 40 61 70 eriko mannya gange nze kennyini for those who have MTN. Yeah, that is 0786 40 61 70. Atabagala okuteeka ku Airtel, you'll put on my manager's number, that is 0703 097003. However, number njikozesa ku WhatsApp, abagala okumbuuza ku WhatsApp kwendi lately wendi wakanondi baddamu mpola nenga bambi mwebale nnyo kufaayo. Bills zibadde nnyingi nnyo, you know, and this being the very first time, it was very shocking. Naye mukama ayambyeko, mwebale kunyambako. Bills, I wanted to clarify where the bills are going, because you have the right to know, you know. Manager munange ejjo yavudde mu accident ngatambula bulungi nga tulaba actually nga bonogamba nti mu fenna ye ne my bodyguard be bavudde mu nga bali, you know, okay. Unfortunately, bamukebedde mu x-ray nga alina mu glasses 3. I'm going to put up that x-ray nerabidde okubeera nayo wano but I'm going to ask him to send me mu kifuba mulimu glasses 3, so he needs an immediate operation. DJ, he's doing fine. I called him earlier, he told me he's doing fine. Ebiwundu bye byabadde mostly kungulu, so all he has to work on is the face healing. Niko ndi mubi chokwedde jo temungamba. Niko ndi mubi bannange. I've never seen this version of my life, so I didn't want to bore you. So can't tell. So a number kanziremu nzitereze. A number ya MTN is 0786 40 61 70. Ya Airtel. A number MTN iliko Tumusime Catherine, that's my name. Ya Airtel kuliko Victor Antaro. Ya manager is 0703 097003. Thank you so much.